Hello, and welcome to Everyday English AI storytelling series. Today's story is called The Two Wolves. It is a powerful story. It teaches us about our emotions. It helps us understand how to make good choices, and it will help you improve your English. In this video, you will practice listening and pronunciation, learn new vocabulary, reflect on an important life lesson. Practice speaking through prompts, so find a quiet place, relax, and listen carefully. Let's begin. Once upon a time, a boy lived with his grandfather in a small village. One evening, the boy was upset. His face was red. His fists were tight. He was angry. The grandfather noticed and said, "My child, what's wrong?" The boy said, "Grandfather, someone said bad things about me. I want to fight him. I feel angry inside." The grandfather nodded. He looked into the fire. He was silent for a moment. Then he said, "A fight is happening inside." "You, not just now, but always." The boy looked confused. He asked, "A fight? What kind of fight?" The grandfather spoke slowly. "Inside every person, there are two wolves." "Two wolves?" The boy asked. "Yes," said the grandfather. "One wolf is angry. He is full of hate, jealousy, greed, pride, and lies. He lives on fear. He wants revenge. He wants to hurt others." The boy listened closely. The grandfather continued. "The other wolf is different. He is calm. He is kind. He is full of peace, love, hope, honesty, and truth." The boy asked, "Do the wolves fight?" The grandfather said, "Yes, the two wolves are always fighting. Inside you, inside me, inside everyone." The boy thought for a while. Then he asked, "Which wolf wins, grandfather?" The grandfather smiled. He looked deep into the boy's eyes and said, "The one you feed." The boy sat in silence. He was thinking. He said, "So if I feed the angry wolf, he becomes stronger?" "Yes," said the grandfather. "If you feed him with angry thoughts, he will grow. If you feed him by shouting, by blaming, by hating, he will win." The boy nodded. "And if I feed the kind wolf, then love and peace will grow inside you," said the grandfather. "You will feel calm. You will help others. You will feel free." Now, let's learn some words from the story. Repeat after me. Anger, a strong feeling of dislike or hate. Jealousy, wanting what others have. Revenge, wanting to hurt someone who hurt you. Peace, a calm and quiet feeling. Kindness, being nice and caring for others. Greed, wanting more and more, never satisfied. Hope, believing something good will happen. Pride, feeling too important or better than others. Truth, what is real and honest. Feed, to give food or power to something. Good job. Repeat these again to remember better. Let's think about the meaning of this story. We all feel many things. We feel anger, we feel love, we feel jealousy, we feel kindness. It is normal. But which feelings do we feed? Do we grow our anger, or do we grow our peace? Do we speak with hate, or do we listen with care? The one you feed becomes your life. So choose carefully. Now, let's practice speaking. I will ask you questions. Pause the video and try to answer. 1. What are the two wolves in the story? 2. What does each wolf represent? 3. Which wolf is stronger? 4. What happens when you feed the angry wolf? 5. What happens when you feed the kind wolf? 6. Which wolf do you want to feed in your life? Very good. Practicing speaking helps your fluency. You did great today. You listened. You learned new words. And you thought deeply about your emotions. Now it's time to reflect. Which wolf will you feed? If you enjoyed this story, give it a like. Leave a comment. Tell us which wolf you choose. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories that teach English and life lessons. This was Everyday English AI storytelling series. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. And remember, you are the one who chooses which wolf wins.